All right, I could not pull a good vacuum. I was only getting around 1,000 microns, but it wouldn't hold and it was really slow. Now I got pressure in there, 200 psi, and this is a body shop. It was work. It's since the 10th month. We're into the 12th month. See right there, 1012 and or 1022, and that's what we got right there. Let's see my bubble. See the little bubble right there for me, really slowly at 200 psi. You see that? So that was our big blue right there. Really slow. It is forming. There we go. Well, not really slow, but there we go. It's bigger now. All right, so we got a leak there. We'll take that off. Replace that O-ring. Remember, this was used, and it's an old car. System was old. That's a replacement condenser on it already that somebody replaced. That is not an OEM condenser. I think. Let's see. Let me look before I talk. Come on. Made in the USA. And give me a name. Give me a name. I don't know. This is too old. And so, does anybody recognize this condenser? I am not familiar with this one, and I do not know if it's aftermarket or OEM for this old. What is this? This is an Acura 3.2 VTEC. Somebody tell me, because I'm not good enough to know that. 2007. Come on, 2007. Acura TL. It's painted, or it did have paint, I think. Has a coating on it of some sort, except for the fin area. So I'm gonna go after that leak down there at the O-ring, and we'll come back here. Oh, and because it was so old, when I did put on the vacuum pump, the air that was coming out smelt really foul, really rancid, like rancid salad oil or olive oil that's really old and it has that smell. And that's what happens when refrigerant oil on these PAG systems, and POE oil too, gets old, moisture contaminated, and starts going rancid. All right, I'll be back. Let's fix this first.